Fiafia nei tai au, leua whatimai ia le whionga ia Vaimo'oi'a Astrid Ripley, mō tātou le nei tai au. Ia la whasoa mai, o ani vaenga te tau ona a ngai fo iai, ia lana tautua, ia ai maise, o niso po kalami lo whanga solo, mō tātou le nei tai au. Le nganga Fiafia whatalo whatu Vaimo'oi'a, ma alo se whamonu ia le nei tai au fau.
Ho te whatalo whatu Samoa, pere. Ia, whawhataile o lofa le tato Samoa, lo maua le soifua ma le ola. Ia, wa'o Vaimo'oi'a Ripley. Very nice to be here. Thank you so much for having me an opportunity to be part of Radio Samoa. Soifua.
Ma lo whatai Vaimo'oi'a, ia, leo whailo le suafa. E whena tue whalau tele titi mai lava, ia lo suafa, o lo tua a. Ia, mai se fo ini ai, si tau a whianga i Samoa, ma le nganga whaalalo?
Ia, o lo suafa wa'o Vaimo'oi'a Ripley, ma tele ono. Totsua, matatai, sapunawa, potasi, lupi-lupi, paleapuna, sapapali, palelatai, and so on and so on. So, yep, I'm proud to be from Samoa, and so also the connection sometimes as well with the sound coming in and out, but I would say whatsulo atu, because sometimes I'm going to switch between whapalang tato talanoanga.
Ai mana ia, ai le lei, o le tawal na, ia o whalongolonga atu le tātu watu nua tele tele ia na ia o whianga fui Samoa te malanga mai ai, ia le mesili na matau le lei. In whaiona e whailo mai Vaimo'oi'a mo tātou, whamatala mai le tālonga ua whaamonu e ai oe mole Olimpeka.
Yeah, o le sailing, po le whaafaila, so that's my sport that we'll be representing. It's a different kind of boat from the traditional voyaging canoe. We have the ngaulofa back in Samoa, but the boat that I'll be doing the sport on is a laser, or Ilka 6. So it's a one-person dinghy, and in the Olympics it will be the women's dinghy boat.
Vaimo'oi'a, mana ia, ai se awa e whiriwhiri ai ia le nei tālonga whaamole. Ai se awa e whiriwhiri ai le nei tālonga.
Yeah, sa mata mai lava, when I was very small, when I was 8 years old. So that's when I didn't really choose the sport. I was really brought into it at a young age down in Muninu'u. So that's where umangainga mata mai lava I Muninu'u mala ufaionga down with la Fionga Rainbow Van Reiki. And back in Samoa, we used to always go out every Saturday. Just really fell into place because of family. My great-grandma was a sailor and a fisherwoman. My auntie was my coach. Yeah, we really grew up with the sport back home in Samoa, and it's been a big journey to work along the way. But yeah, we've pretty much grew up with sailing, and it wasn't very well known because we were always at the end of the peninsula of Muninu'u. So it wasn't a very...
Malo whaatai. O whalani le whaile le tamusanga le Olimpeka, o a whele te malanga I whalani a... O a whele le fofua te malanga I whalani, Vaimo'oi'a?
Yeah, next month is July when we go in for Laiamaka the Olympics. So the rest of the team will head over on the 12th of July. But I'm going to be going ahead next week to do some more training and stay with some family in Germany. And the rest of the team will follow a month after I leave.
Okay, le lei whaatai, o leo marino ato leo o tāpenanga ma mea umala o mai lau tāpenanga le temi. O seki a tāpenanga?
Yeah, sekia meo. Yep. Very intense at the moment. So I just finished doing some training on the water. I've been here in Australia for a few years now, so training with the sailing club in Sydney. Everybody here in Australia are very helpful, and I've received a lot of support along the way, working part-time, but also having a lot of support from family, friends, aunties, uncles, everyone letting me stay, you know, and supporting, giving transport, any kind of monetary support as well, fundraising. But here in Australia, it's been very beneficial to train with the Australians, and they've been able to give me coaching on the side. Any helpful advice I can get from anybody. I met a really good training buddy here, Jeff Loosemore, who's the great-grand champion, world champion. He's probably 70 years old, but still very active and very sporty. So very good advice and always been very helpful and trying to get us on the world stage.
Alo fa te tele lava Vaimo'oia mo lu taimi fa bona ina I lunga o tatu pokalame on fa ei ona so soani ma fa lu tele fo tu langa o ta penanga pe ona iai e si vaenga te fia no iai fa bona moli.
All my family that are around the world at the moment, and yeah, Whakatai Samoa as well, it's a point in mind. I'll say mita lava o oi. So I tell a Fiafia ia, I le alofa le atua, enga te tai mai, lo malosi o atua, salu ai lo alofa ia, soifo.
Alo fa tai mal pulenga le Samoa me se fo ta po ingal tatu wa tunu ia te ronei manuia tele lo wal fai vai o talonga ia bole malosi mo se fo de puinga mal fa malolonga le tua a wale fa o wina o le ave fu o le tatu wa tunu Samoa manuia fo de vai asa soifo mai manuia.